Hello, this is Douglas Robinson with DevEdit Software LLC. In this video, we're going to show you how you can redirect web traffic going to a Cherwell server, or really any server for that matter, from just a base URL. For instance, in this case, we're talking about localhost, and we want to redirect our localhost address, this, to be localhost/Cherwell client/access. Or you might want this to redirect anything to a base URL with your website to perhaps your portal. So it would be Cherwell portal / and then your site name. The reason you might want to do this is because you're about to roll out something like the self-service portal where you have hundreds or thousands of users, and you want a very easy website URL for that portal. For instance, Cherwell.companyname.com instead of Cherwell.companyname.com/Cherwell portal / the name of your site. So the way that this is going to work, and you can only do this for one specific web page on your web server, the way this is going to work is we're going to go onto the server that's hosting your Cherwell web or browser apps. We're going to open IIS Manager. So you should be able to figure out where IIS Manager is. If it's not in your Start menu, you're going to need to scroll down in your Start menu to Windows Administrative Tools, and you'll find it in there as Internet Information Services IIS Manager. Once you get this open, you're going to click on your server, and then you're going to find HTTP redirect. It should be under this IIS heading. Go ahead and double click on that, and then here you'll see an option to redirect requests to this destination. Before you set it up, it's going to look like the entire page is grayed out. You have to click on this checkbox first, and then you can enter in the URL that you're trying to redirect to. Now, some helpful pieces of information here. You can, if you want to set this up to where people don't have to sign in, and you don't have, a SAML or SSO set up for single sign-on, you can actually append to this the WinLogon tag, and right now I'm typing WinLogon. On some versions I think that got changed to WinLogin, so you'll want to double check. But basically you can append WinLogon or WinLogin to the end of your Cherwell access for the browser URL or the Cherwell portal link for the portal. And the effect there is that if somebody goes to that root website, so in this instance at the bottom here there's contoso.com, if someone went just to that base URL, they would get redirected to that URL and the portal and the site name and a command to automatically log them in. Now if you get this and you don't read the rest of this video, you're going to realize an error is going to pop up. That's going to be, you have to check this message down here that says only redirect requests to content in this directory and not subdirectories, because this URL that you're putting on here, Cherwell portal or Cherwell client, that is a subdirectory. And if this box isn't checked, then basically the first time you open this web page, it's going to redirect here, and then it's going to read this redirect again without this checked, and it's going to try to append it again and again and again and again. So you need to have this checkbox right here that says only redirect requests content in this directory and not subdirectories. That needs to be checked. But after that's done, you go click apply. Maybe you reboot IIS, maybe not. It doesn't really require a restart. It should be just about immediate. And once you do that, you can start just punching in the root URL or server name, and it'll automatically redirect to the URL that you have it configured for. That's all. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to post them in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.